What's that, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be painting my headlights because, you know, it's quarantine, I'm bored, and I've been meaning to do it for a while anyway, so what better time than right now, you know? So I'm gonna be blacking out those chrome pieces on my headlights, take them to the oven, take them apart, bring them back down, paint them, bring them back up, put them in the oven so I can seal them back up again, put them in the car, and yes. So let's go ahead and get to work. Do stay tuned to the end because it's gonna look amazing as always. Here we go. Yes. I'm gonna show you what I did. I took off this thing right here, HID kit, but it was connected to that little bulb power giver or whatever, because this is the bulb itself, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave that in there. But I took that off of there, and of course I took off the cap that it comes with, which is that right there. It just twists off very easy, and I unbolted or unscrewed the 4 screws on that HID kit. Should be fine. I'm only gonna do like 180 degrees, maybe 200, and for like 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take them apart from the seams right here, and then paint this chrome part right here and that chrome part right there, so it's all black. That way you can see the sea light right here a little bit better, because when I have it on with all this chrome, like it blends in, and I don't know, it doesn't look right. I took off all the screws that I could think of. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. I got it at 180 degrees just because I don't want to fry anything in there. I've seen videos of people doing it at 200 degrees. I'm gonna be safe doing it at 180 for 10 minutes. I'll try to take it off that way. I mean, I can always put it back in. I broke one of the blinker pieces for one of the lights. I honestly don't know which one's right, which one's left, but I broke it, and I've been looking everywhere to see if I can buy one, and it doesn't look like these are sold without buying an entire headlight. So I'm gonna try to glue it back on because I have no choice. Right here, I mean, it does fit pretty smoothly together when I do put it like that. You can't even tell it's broken, and when I paint it you won't tell much. So I'm gonna try to glue it, let it dry, and then paint it, because I kind of have no choice. I don't want to buy a whole headlight first coat, but it'll turn out. It will turn out. I'll do that second one later. Oh, this is gonna look so damn good. And then right here in that little hole, that's where the sea light goes. And like I was saying earlier, it used to blend in because that was all chrome, right? So the shiny light, you just couldn't really tell it was there unless you were really looking for it. Now it's gonna stand out, and I can't wait. I'm gonna do like 3 more coats and I'll catch y'all. I am not the best painter. See, I don't know if you can see that on camera. It ran a little bit right there, and that looks very bad. Right here, there's some bubbles in there, but on this other one, by the way, it managed to glue on very good. There's not any, or at least not as many bubbles in this one, right? And then right here, it ran a little bit too. I mean, it's not very noticeable, like from far away, like when the headlight's on the car. I don't think it'll be noticeable. Hopefully not, because I really don't want to buy a new headlight. But so far it's looking pretty good. I'm actually very excited. So, make sure that you use gloves if you can find them, because, you know, everything going on, there's literally nothing anywhere. So anyway, that's besides the point. Let's get to it here. Alright guys, it's a new day, and the reason it's a new day is because when I was putting the headlights back together, I did mess up on the second one. The first one came out amazing. It's all black, it came out great. The sea light is very, very noticeable now, whereas before it wasn't as much. It looks really, really good. It contrasts the white amazing. It looks good with all the other accents that I have here that are black, so looks really good. On the second one here though, right there, I don't know if you can see, I scraped it and then I sprayed over it. It bubbled up really bad, and I just spent all morning sanding it down. So, but I mean, nonetheless, it did come out pretty good. I like it. This is the headlight that I messed up, and you can't really tell. And then this is the good one. It looks very, very good. It's actually a new day once again. I'm actually here in one of my favorite spots. I'm gonna go ahead and do the video shoot, and I'm gonna finish off the video right here. I hope it was helpful. Please consider subscribing. We have a lot of content coming up. If everything works out, it should be amazing. As everything, we're really putting our all of our efforts into getting out good content for you guys. So I hope you're enjoying it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're gonna go ahead and see you next time, and I hope you enjoy this video shoot.